welcome to my honest look at Brooklyn Tweed yarns. I want to really stress that this is not a sponsored video. I feel I need to emphasize this before we begin because I honestly have nothing but good things to say about this yarn company. If you know me, you know I'm all about keeping things sustainable. I love buying US made things because I'm in the US, and this company embodies so many things that I believe in. Brooklyn Tweed designs, sources, dyes, and spins all of their yarn in the USA. I've purchased their yarn before, but I recently purchased 3 more, so I thought we would have a look at those. They are Quarry, Peerie, and Arbor. Quarry is the first yarn I'm going to look at. It is a chunky weight yarn, and the color I purchased was called Geode. This is a Wyoming-grown Targhee Columbia wool. It was dyed in Philadelphia and spun in New Hampshire. And the first thing I really noticed about this, other than it's very lovely, is that it has an amazing smell of fresh, clean wool. And if you're a knitter, you probably know that smell I'm talking about. And this particular yarn came with its own special card that talks a bit about special care for this. Because of its sort of fluffy, unspun nature, it actually is spun, but looks like a single ply that's a little looser. However, it is in fact 3 plies. So Quarry may be my new favorite chunky yarn, honestly. It is lovely and has that sort of characteristic Brooklyn Tweed woolly feel. The second yarn I'm looking at is Peerie, which is a fingering weight American merino wool. And the colorway I purchased was Cortado. This particular wool was grown in Utah and Nevada, spun in Maine, and then also dyed in Maine. Again, a very beautiful yarn. It has less of that woolly feel and is more sleek and silky. And the third yarn I'm going to look at is Arbor. It is a DK weight American Targhee wool, and the colorway I have here is Arabesque. This was grown in Montana and South Dakota. It was spun in Maine and dyed in Maine or Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This particular yarn is a little more sleek and silky, kind of like the Peerie, and not as rustic as Quarry. Again, overall, Brooklyn Tweed yarns are truly superior. You can tell just by looking at and feeling them, this is quality wool. Yes, you will pay a little more than you do at the big box stores, but usually you're not finding American grown pure wool yarns there. It's really worth it, I think. The only thing, and this isn't even a complaint or a problem, I already understand that computer monitors can vary from like a real life product. It seems like the actual yarn colors of the Geode and Arabesque colorways were slightly darker. But again, you can never expect anything to be an exact color match, and the variation was really slight. If I were going to do a huge project and I had to have the colors exact, I would probably purchase a color card, and in fact I may do that anyway. So if you are looking to get exact colors, it would be wise. You can purchase shade cards from Brooklyn Tweed for only $4, and each card includes actual yarn samples from all the colorways available in a given line of yarn. Thank you for watching this review. Let me know, do you like Brooklyn Tweed yarns? Have you tried their yarns? Would you like to try them? Comment below, and remember to subscribe for more handmade goodness.